Holcee and welcome back to my channel. So if you're wondering why I'm all barefaced today, it's because I'm going to be unboxing this huge package which I received from Tarte and basically just showing you guys what is inside. So I'm so excited to have a look at everything that's inside and tell you guys what I think. But first, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments what is your #1 absolute favorite product from Tarte. So for me, I don't actually have a favorite product because I haven't tried anything yet, but I am so excited and I'm sure there's lots of goodies inside that I'm gonna love. So let's get started. All right, so first up, can we acknowledge the packaging? This is literally the most adorable package I've ever received. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. Ah! All right. Woo. So, first up, I did receive this bag. It is just a gold plain black bag. It's pretty big actually, so that's just perfect to hold all of my products. And I am actually in need of a new bag, and this one is actually a decent size and it's pretty cute. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. It's purple on the inside. It is like a velvety purple. That's so cute. It's like I'm actually a queen. It's like I'm a royal queen. I love this so much. Very, very cute. All right, so next up we have the Shape Tape foundation in the shade Fair Neutral. I am pretty excited to try this out because I've never actually tried a luxury high-end foundation before. All of the foundations I've used have actually been drugstore, so it's pretty exciting to see how this one will look. Packaging is obviously the iconic Tarte foundation bottle, which is really, really cool. So I'm actually just gonna go ahead and try that out now. How do you open it? I was like trying to pull it off, but it's just a screw. Ooh, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. I was not expecting that. It's like a applicator. I was thinking it was gonna be a pump, but no. So yeah, let's give this a go. I'm kind of nervous, I'm not gonna lie. My skin's looking pretty bad right now. All right, so this is what it looks like after just one little dip. I feel like it is actually pretty good. It's not the best foundation I've actually tried before. I don't know whether I'm applying it right or what, but it just seems like a normal foundation. It is pretty, I mean, it's pretty good, you know what I mean? Like just so far what I can see, it looks fine, but it's not like, you know, it's not like insane coverage. All right, so overall, this foundation is pretty good. The coverage is just pretty standard, just kind of like what you would normally expect from a foundation. It's not like out of this world amazing, but you know, it is pretty good. It is my shade, it goes on pretty well. And yeah, overall, I'd say it is actually a decent foundation. Like it's not amazing, but it's pretty good, so. All right, so next up, I have the Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. This is super bold packaging. I think this is like the most insane kind of packaging makeup item I own. Very, very sparkly, very, very large, but let's see how it looks on the lashes because that is the most important thing. All right, so this is the before, obviously, and I'm just gonna show you guys how it works. Oh, this is very lengthening. I was not expecting this. Okay, this is actually insane. This one here has mascara, this one here does not, and the difference is actually extraordinary. This is actually insane. What the heck? I did not realize a mascara could be this good. Now I kind of understand why people pay a lot of money for mascaras, considering my normal mascara is like $21.95, and this one is like a lot. I can't remember the exact price, but I know it's a lot of money. So wow, this is probably the best thing I've tried so far. I know I've only tried 2 products, but I really like this one. All right, so that is the mascara done. Moving on to the next product, I have the Tarte High Performance Naturals eyeshadow palette. Ooh, very exciting. First of all, packaging. Again, really, really heavy product. Like it really feels like a good quality product. I don't really love the flamingo design, but I think the overall build of the case is very nice. I do like how it looks on the inside though. So I'm gonna go in with this brown color here, just up the top, and I'm gonna pop that on my eyeballs. Okay, so the color payoff is insane. I'm actually really concerned about messing this up because all of the other eyeshadows I've ever used have not been this pigmented, and it's kind of like, oh, whoa, 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 you know what I mean? Like, it is actually a shock to have this much color on my eyeballs because normally the colors barely show up. So this is really exciting. All right, so I don't want to put too much on because I feel like I will just completely ruin my face if I do, just because the colors are like so pigmented. I know I'm gonna go crazy and end up looking like a raccoon. So I think this solid color will do fine just for a natural everyday look. I am so impressed with this eyeshadow palette. The colors, obviously I haven't tried all of them, but this color here on my eyeballs looks amazing, and the color payoff is like nothing I've ever tried before in my entire life. So I'm very, very happy with this. Alright, so next up I have the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. This is in the shade Exposed, but first I do want to pop on a little bit of setting powder. This is just the Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder, just so my foundation is set. Probably should have done this earlier, but I forgot. So just gonna quickly pop some of that on. All right, that one is all done. Time to go ahead and try out this blush. Here we go. Oh, hello. Look at this packaging. Wow, that's actually really cute. Look at this. Very nice. Again, very solid, very, very nice. Really happy with that. All right, let's give it a go. Why am I so nervous? Okay. Here we go. Oh, pretty. It's kind of like a very subtle pink. I don't know how well it shows up on camera, but I think it's actually very nice. All right, so overall, I think this blush is perfect for every day. It's kind of like a natural, neutral look. I don't really have much to say about it just because at the end of the day, it is just a regular, normal pink nudie colored blush. Like, it's not, you know, the most amazing thing ever, but I do think it is a good blush and it looks pretty cute. All right, so for the final product, I have the Tarte Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint. So this is in the color Exposed, which looks pretty similar to the blush actually. The packaging, again, adorable. Just looks like this. Very excited to try this out. Kind of nervous also because it's a quick dry lip paint and it's gonna have to work fast, so let's go. Alright, so overall I feel like the color is really, really cute. It's perfect for every day. It's just a normal, natural pink nude. I was kind of worried about the quick dry drying in the wrong spot and I wouldn't be able to get it off, but it was very easy to apply, even for someone who kind of sucks at liquid lipstick like me. The only thing I would say is that because it is a quick dry lip paint, when I put my lips together, they do feel a little bit gross. They do feel so dry. It just feels kind of like uncomfortable, but I think that's just because I'm not used to wearing this kind of lip paint. Like, I just don't, it's not something I normally wear. So I just think the prospect of having these kind of like dry lips just makes me feel a bit weird. So yeah, it's really weird. I don't know. Alright, so this is all of the Tarte products that I got today, but I do want to finish the look off by adding a little bit of highlighter. So I'm just going to give myself a spray with the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. And then I'm going to pop on some highlight from the Too Faced Natural Face palette. So I'm not sure if I've actually spoken about this palette on my channel so far. I did pick it up in preparation for my trip to Japan just because I wanted something that had like a blush and a bronzer and a highlight all in one. And yeah, overall, I think it's pretty decent. I'm just gonna be using the Satin Sheets highlight today and just pop some of that on there. Alright, so that is the total complete finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what is your favorite Tarte product. So now that we finished off the video, I feel like my favorite Tarte product is probably the eyeshadow palettes because I am really excited to use all of the colors, especially the glittery colors. Cannot wait to try those out. Maybe some other time when I'm not on camera because I don't want to mess it up. But I really love how pigmented they are and how they show up. Really love that. And then again, I also really love the mascara. That was amazing at lengthening my lashes. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye!